Hey everyone, welcome back to 220 Investo Network. I'm Harshal, your trusted navigator in this thrilling world of stocks, business, and all things money. Today we're diving headfirst into the market's most exciting twists and turns. Trust me, the updates I have lined up aren't just news, they're insights to help you sharpen your game and stay ahead of the curve. So, whether you're kicking back with your morning chai or powering through your afternoon grind, this is your moment to pause, plan, and prepare to take charge of your financial future. Let's get started and make every minute count. Because when it comes to markets, knowledge is the real currency. Let's go. Now let's talk about Man Infra Construction. The promoters have increased their stake in the company, showing massive confidence. They picked up 1,03,939 additional shares from the open market, taking their holding to 66.67%. And guess what? The stock initially dipped to 160 rupees and 30 paise, but it made a solid comeback to close at 164 rupees and 50 paise. This kind of promoter activity usually signals strong future growth, so keep an eye on this one. Next up, let's talk about Sun Pharma Advanced Research Company, SPARC. This stock has been taking a beating. It hit a 52-week low of 128 rupees and 35 paise, crashing 6.3% in just one day. But why? Well, Rekha Hunshunwala reduced her stake to 1.6% in Q3. Investors are nervous and the stock has lost 19% in just 9 sessions. Even though the company's losses are narrowing, they've been in the red for 8 years straight. So tell me in the comments, would you buy the dip or is this a sinking ship? Moving on to our banking sector, the State Bank of India SBI chairman made some big statements about the future of banking in India. He is saying that relying only on bank loans won't be enough to get India to a $35 trillion economy by 2047. He is also seeing a shift in savings patterns, PSU banks having balanced loan books and a huge rise in private sector investments in renewables and data centers. This means we might see more companies raising money directly from the markets instead of just depending on banks. What do you think? Logistics stocks are heating up. Container Corporation of India, CONCOR, just bagged the 6.9 billion rupee order for 30 spine car rakes. This means major expansion in their freight operations, which could boost revenues and help India's supply chain grow. Logistics is one of the biggest themes in the market right now, so keep an eye on stocks like CONCOR, VRL Logistics, and TCI Express. Now here's something sneaky. A big block deal in Bharti Airtel made it look like foreign investors were back in Indian markets. But in reality, nope. Adjusting for the block deal, foreign investors have been net sellers for the 10th straight session. The question is, are FIIs, foreign institutional investors, losing confidence in the Indian market or are they just waiting for a better entry? Stay tuned because this could impact market momentum next week. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's top market stories. But before you go, I want to hear from you. Are you bullish on Man Infra after the promoter buying? Would you buy the dip in SPARC or is it too risky? Do you think logistics stocks like CONCOR are set for a breakout? Comment below and let me know. Also, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 220 Investo Network. Take care and happy investing.